how to log in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in your account. First of all, open the application. So here, this interface will pop up. Now here, you can tap on this three dot icon. Here, there are different options with which you can log in. So you must make sure from which account that you have logged in previously. So in my case, I had logged in through Facebook. Now simply tap on Facebook. Now it will take some time and it will redirect all the information and datas. Now just wait for some time and tap on continue. So it will take some time and all the game progress will be loaded and you'll be able to play and start the game. So as you can see, I am already inside the game and it has started. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.